Hey everyone, it's Kayla from the Casual Crafter, and today we're going to be doing a Dollar Tree haul, as well as a couple goodies I picked up in the Bullseye Playground. So if that sounds interesting to you, stick around and let's go ahead and check out what I got. Starting out, I got a couple Greenery picks. I got a few of each of these. This one just looks like some eucalyptus, but these look like really nice quality, pretty comparable to like Walmart's quality. So I thought these were really nice. I got that one. I got this one. I believe it looks like a palm leaf. I could be wrong, but these are a little bit smaller than, you know, a typical palm leaf would be. But I thought these were really nice. I got a couple of those. And then this one just looks like, I believe it's a fern. But these are like a plasticky material. I thought these were really nice, and they're pretty heavy for $1. So I got a couple of those as well. Up next, I got a few succulents. I've been a bit more into the succulents recently, so I just picked up this one. I thought it was really nice because it has the black base. These aren't the best quality fake succulents, but I think they're pretty nice for what they are. So I got that one. I got this one. This one's pretty heavy. It's like a succulent clip, but I was impressed with how like heavy this actually felt, and this like lime green color I thought was really nice. And again, I got another clip. This one's a little less heavy than that one. I don't really know why, just a different material, I guess. And this is in a dark green color. And then I got this one, just kind of, I don't know exactly what this is supposed to look like. I don't know my succulents, but I thought this was really cute as well. Now for the thing I was most excited about were these wall shelves. I've never seen these at Dollar Tree before, nor have I seen anyone haul them before. And I was super excited about these. I picked up a couple of them. I don't know exactly what I want to do with them yet, but I could, if I don't use them as like an actual wall shelf, I could always make a sign out of them, because they seem like, I don't think they're real wood, but they seem like a pretty nice material, and you could probably stain them still, even though they're not a real wood. So I thought those were really nice. Picked up a few of those. I've seen other people haul these before, and I was really excited to find them myself. I just really like the wood frame. Again, I don't know if it's actual wood or not. I think you can at least try and stain it if it's not real wood. So I thought that was really nice. And these actually just come out like a picture frame wood, which I thought was really nice. You don't have to completely redo the entire thing. And if you just want to leave it as that wood color, that's really nice too. So I was really excited about those. Up next, I feel like this has been around a while, but my Dollar Tree just got a new shipment in of them, I guess. And this says, "Life begins with coffee." When I was in the store, I actually thought these letters were white. However, they're like a light blue color. So I don't know if I love that, but I really do like the metal coffee word. So I might make a different sign out of that. And this piece of wood itself is really nice. I could redo something with this, but I thought this was really cute. So I grabbed that. This was another thing I'd never seen before. They had this one as well as more like a honey oak colored one, but I thought this one was really cute. It says laundry room, wash, dry, and fold. And honestly, I didn't even notice until I got to the checkout. The lady was like, "Oh, it's really cute. It's in the shape of an ironing board." And I was like, yeah, I guess it is. That makes it even cuter. It has these little not paper clips, clothespins on it as well, which I thought was really cute. So I grabbed that. Sticking with the laundry room theme, I grabbed a couple wall arts. I might end up giving these to my parents and just frame them in like with some wood. But I thought these were really cute. The laundry room, loads of fun. Ha ha ha, I get it. And then sort, wash, fold. I've been really impressed with Dollar Tree's like laundry room decor. They decided to hop on that bandwagon, and they have a lot of it, and it's really nice. So I did grab one of these. This is just again, a faux wood kind of frame, and it has like a ceramic almost coaster in it. It says, "Trust your purpose." I'm probably just gonna paint over it, but I thought this was really nice as well. I really like grabbing these like shadow box type frames when they have them. I thought these were really nice because they have that picture frame backing, so it's easy to change out what you have on the other side. They come with, this one says, "You did not wake up to be mediocre," and this just has a black frame. I like the black frame because that's the color I use pretty often, so I thought that was really nice. And then I picked up this green one, "Adventure is Calling." I thought I might use the green for St. Patrick's Day or something like that, and I thought that was really nice as well. So I grabbed those. This was the first time I'd seen bookends at Dollar Tree. I could be mistaken, but I thought these were really nice. They're like a blue color. I'm probably just going to spray paint them like black, but I thought the design on them was really neat. And I could always put something on the end and decorate it a bit more. They're not like the most sturdy or heavy, but I think they'd work for, unless you have like really heavy textbooks, that probably wouldn't work very well. But if you have just general books, I think it'd be really nice. So I grabbed a couple of those. Then I was able to find a few of these window storage bins. That's what they're called. They're just like any cube bin you might get. But I'll take one out and show you how good a quality these are. At the store I was at, they had these black and white ones, and they had white with black stripes, as well as just some like solid gray. They had like a dark heathery gray as well as like a lighter heathery gray. Taking these out, this is what they look like. So they have a wire in the top, but they don't in the bottom. So this is what they look like. They're pretty big, and they have the wire, like I said, in the top, but not the bottom. But just in general, for $1, I thought these were really nice, and they kind of go with more modern style decor and everything. So I picked up a few of these. I thought they were a great deal. Again, with the signs, I got this one. It says Get Cozy. I really got it just for the design on here. I thought it was really nice. I could always paint over it, or I might just keep it for like more wintertime next year. But I thought that was really cute. We just have a couple more things from Dollar Tree here, and then I'll do a quick little haul of my Bullseye Playground findings. So I got this wood hanging decor. It's just a round wood piece that's really thick, and I'd never seen these at my Dollar Tree before. We recently got the Crafter Square, which I was really excited about, so I was really happy to find this and pick it up. I think this would be a really nice wood charm on like the end of like a wood bead garland or something. So I picked that up. And this isn't anything new, but they have these every year. They're the 3-piece clay pots. And I have a DIY in mind with these already, so I picked up that. And finally, last but not least, from Dollar Tree, I just grabbed this reusable bag, but I thought the print on it was so pretty. It's like a tealish green color with these pink flowers. I thought it was adorable for spring, and I really like using reusable bags, so I grabbed this. Now on to the Bullseye Playground portion of this haul. They had a ton of cute things in the Bullseye Playground when I was there, but make sure you go there now because I don't know how long it'll last. People are going to snatch these things up. So I got 3 of these carrots. They're just stuffed carrots, but they're this really pale orange color, which I thought was really nice. You can pay more for these elsewhere, or you can make them yourself, but I thought $1 was a pretty good deal, so I just got 3 of those. And then I got multiple of these seagrass baskets. They're really nice. They fold up, and they were $3 each, and these are a pretty good size. There's like compared to my head. And I thought you could put like a plant in them. And I actually have scrunchies that I'm going to put in one on my vanity so it looks less messy and cluttered. But yeah, you could use these for all sorts of things. And they also have it in the like black and natural color, which I thought was really cute as well. Again, these were $3. But yeah, I picked up those. They were really cute. Then I was able to find some of the risers that everyone's been talking about. I wouldn't say they're the best quality ever, but they're $3 and they're pretty nice. You get the metal legs. They are metal. And then like I think it's like a faux wood type top. But I thought these were really nice. This one's a bit wider than this one. Not like significantly wider, but I don't know if you can tell there. And then the one that's smaller is taller. Taller. But I thought these were really nice just to give some variation in height in my decor. So I grabbed those, and those were $3 each. I don't know if I said that already. And then I was able to find this tiered tray. I thought it was adorable with the black and the natural wood. And this was $5. I thought this was really cute for $5, so I grabbed that. Then I grabbed a pack of these wooden eggs. I believe they were $3. I took the plastic off, so I don't know for sure. But they are wood. They're fairly light wood, but these are pretty nice quality, and I like the more muted tones in them. The ones at Dollar Tree are made of plastic, so I thought these were a pretty good deal for $3. And then finally, last but not least, I was able to get a couple of these bins. I couldn't believe these were in the dollar spot, but they were $5 each. You can see there. And they just have the wooden top and the white bottom. They're a metal bin, but the top just comes off like that. But I thought these were really nice. I grabbed a couple of these just as storage container. I don't know exactly what I'm going to put in them yet, but I couldn't pass them up for $5 each. You're going to pay way more even elsewhere in Target for them. So that's it for my Dollar Tree and Bullseye Playground haul. Be sure and head to your stores so you can get these items before they sell out. Like and comment down below what your favorite item I picked up today was, either from Dollar Tree or Target, or both. And if you made it to this point in the video, I'd really appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. It really helps out. And you can check me out over on Instagram. It's @thecasualcrafter. And thanks again. Bye!